tale of Oregon's coast begins in the north, in the charming city of Astoria. Perched at the very edge of the Pacific Northwest, this town is a relic of times gone by. Ascending above Astoria, the city's pulse becomes evident. Streets wind through the heart of the town, shadowed by the ever-present bridge, a silent guardian watching over the city. The coastline beckons. Here, where the Columbia River meets the vast Pacific, sea lions lounge lazily, their songs echoing amidst the soft lapping of the evening waves. This serene marine theater paints a picture of nature in its most relaxed form. Astoria's relationship with the water is inseparable. From docks where sea lions play to boats bobbing gently on the water, the city's heartbeat is synchronized with the ebb and flow of the tides. The quiet dance of marine life against the backdrop of the city and bridge is a spectacle that captures the essence of coastal living. Beyond the serene scenes of daily life, there's industry. Giant oil tankers float majestically on the Columbia River, shadowed by the Astoria-Megler suspension bridge. As our journey continues south, we find Cannon Beach. Here, Haystack Rock stands sentinel, guarding the quaint town behind it. Like a storybook setting, the town stretches out along the coastline, embraced by the majestic formations of Ecola State Park. The allure of Cannon Beach is undeniable. As waves crash against rugged formations, the quiet town in the distance remains untouched, a silent observer to the dramatic play of the sea against the land. Even in its quiet moments, Cannon Beach exudes drama. A misty veil envelops the town, casting shadows and whispers of stories long past. The vastness of Cannon Beach stretches out, a testimony to the raw beauty of the Oregon coast. Waves, cliffs, and a sleepy town blend seamlessly. Here, in this vast theater of water and sky, solitude finds its most profound expression. As we rise above the coastline, a sight unfolds. The Pacific, in all its glory, crashes against the land. Parallel to the ocean, rail tracks hint at journeys taken on the Amtrak, cutting a linear path between dense forest and the vast sea. The trees stand sentinel, guardians of tales old and new, their canopies whispering secrets of the Pacific coast. Here, nature and progress coexist. In the vast expanse of the Pacific, a lone industrial ship charts its course. Beneath a hazy oceanic canvas, it makes its solitary journey, a mere speck amidst the boundless blue. The horizon stretches on, an endless painting of water and sky, its purity uninterrupted by the constructs of man. As we move closer, the camera dances around the vessel, revealing every angle, every ripple in the water, emphasizing the profound isolation the ship finds itself in. The Pacific Coast Highway, a ribbon of road stretching through Oregon's wild heart, reveals itself. Bridges span creeks and inlets, each one a marvel, guiding travelers through a landscape that alternates between tranquil beaches and verdant forests. An RV, a symbol of wanderlust, ventures across, reminding us of the timeless allure of the open road. Further along the coast, the powerful embrace of the Pacific is evident. Waves, with unrestrained energy, crash against cliffs, a dance as old as time. And there, along the winding road, travelers stop to marvel, forever drawn to Oregon's wild and untamed shores. The journey south continues through the Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area, where sand dunes rise and fall like the waves of the sea. As we drift across this sandy landscape, the vastness of the Pacific reveals itself, a reminder of nature's grandeur and our place within it. Building stands alone, a testament to humanity's desire to be close to the sea. This solitary structure, perched on a cliff, overlooks the mighty Pacific, a symbol of resilience and solitude. Below the lone building, the relentless Pacific Ocean meets the rugged cliffs of the northern region. Here, nature showcases her raw power, with dramatic waves crashing against eroded rocks, sculpted by the passage of time. The stormy atmosphere, set under a dark, cloudy canvas, paints a mood of solitude and awe. It's a reminder of how small we are in the face of nature's grandeur. We venture further south, the drone revealing more of the Oregon coastline's untamed beauty. The towering cliff formations stand as silent witnesses to millennia of ocean tides. As we pan across this dramatic scene, the contrast between the stormy heavens and the foamy waves below becomes ever more apparent, a dance of nature in its most primal form. Swooping closer, we spot a beacon of hope amidst this wild landscape. A lighthouse, its red roofs contrasting beautifully with the azure sky above. It stands as a testament to human resilience, guiding seafarers through stormy nights and ensuring they find their way home. As we orbit around this sentinel, its majesty is laid bare for all to see. It's not just a structure, it's a symbol. Around it, the dense forests and sprawling beaches reveal the diverse topography of this coastal paradise. Pulling away, we take in the broader picture once more. The lighthouse is nestled amidst verdant hills, a solitary figure watching over the expansive blue ocean. The serenity is palpable, a world away from the bustle of city life. But the ocean and cliffs never let us forget their presence. They intertwine in a dramatic dance of water and stone, a performance that has been perfected over countless eons. Golden hour casts a spell over the coastal town. Beach houses, illuminated in the warm embrace of the setting sun, beckon invitingly. It's a moment of stillness, a pause in our journey, allowing us to soak in the tranquility. As nightfall nears, a different mood takes hold. The fog rolls in, and Lincoln City is bathed in an ethereal, dreamy glow. The contrast between the warm, sun-kissed houses and the encroaching darkness sets the stage for tales of mystery and romance. From the sandy shores, the silhouettes of the beach houses stand out, guardians of countless memories of summer days and whispered secrets. As the sun dips below the horizon, they too prepare to rest, waiting for a new dawn. Our journey takes us over a foggy bay. The enchanting hues of twilight paint the sky, the world below veiled in a mysterious mist. It's a place where legends are born, where tales of sea monsters and mermaids might just be true. As we draw to a close, the quaint houses along the bay stand silent. The wooden remains on the beach hint at stories of shipwrecks and adventures past. This is Oregon's coast, a land of contrasts, of raw beauty, and timeless tales waiting to be discovered.